welcome back to my channel. Oh, that sounds too much like Mona. I don't watch too many of her videos. Let's do it again. So genuine.
Hi babes, and welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Imana, and today we are gonna...
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Simone Nicole, and that's on what? Period poo. Welcome back to Simone Nicole TV. If you are new, make sure you subscribe. If you aren't new, I love you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you also for those who did compete, enroll, who participated in the giveaway. I appreciate all of you. I want to thank everyone for participating in my giveaway challenge, my first giveaway ever. And I definitely plan on doing another one once I hit 1K on YouTube, 1K subscribers. So I will post the winners right here. Congrats to you guys. You guys have already been contacted by the time this video is posted, and your items should be on the way. So congrats to you guys, and also thank you for those who did participate. You're all winners in the day. You know how they used to say that when you was growing up and you go into class and like competing and stuff, and everybody be like, oh yeah, you're a winner, we're all winners, you know. But really, you know, I wish I could give you all something, but I can't, unfortunately. But definitely keep trying. For my next giveaway, we'll be on the lookout for that once I hit 1K, like I said. And next time I will do that. I'll do 2 Louis Vuitton items next time, and I'm not sure exactly. Or maybe I'll do something not designer. It depends, you know. Tell me below what you guys might want to see in the next giveaway challenge. In the next giveaway, is it a challenge? It's not a challenge. Let me know some items that might be a good idea to give away, because I'm giving it away to you guys. So it's what better way to find out than just to ask, you know. I want to know you guys a lot better. That way I know what you guys would want. So let me know. And thanks to the giveaway video, I was able to you scared me for some reason, like I didn't know you was coming back.
I know you heard that I was housekeeping these right here.
I know. Exactly. I heard them talking earlier, but I forgot you were coming back. I'm in the zone.
You in the zone?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you want me some food?
Yeah.
Thank you. You know I'm not hungry right now.
Oh.
And we're about to go eat.
Eating good.
We're about to go eat again.
Good like that.
We're about to go to Zana's, and then we're about to go to my mama's house. Dang. We look real good though. Thank you so much, baby. I appreciate it. You know I love me some Zaxby, and you got the salad, and you got the right one. You remembered. You got the egg, boiled egg, the tomatoes, cucumbers, no bacon.
No bacon, no cheese, no onion.
No bacon, no cheese, no onion. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. And the fries. And you got the Zax sauce and the Mediterranean dressing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get back to the video. It's still recording.
Am I too loud? I feel like I might be making noise. I
can't remember what I was saying, y'all, but like I think what I left off at was telling you guys about the giveaway winners. Congrats again. And yeah, let me know what you guys want in the future, because maybe I can make that happen. But when I get to 1K, that's the only we gonna do that, when I get to 1K. So in this video, I'm actually going to be unboxing another, which is considered, I believe, another designer brand, Telfar. Based on the title, you already know. Telfar Clemmings. I was able to bag another bag. It's hard. It's hard out here in these Telfar streets, because I didn't, you know, it's so hard. Y'all already know how hard it is to get the bags, right? And I've attempted at least, I want to say, 6 times since the brand became super popular. What year was that? 2020, 2021, when Oprah made it super popular and he started doing other things with other people. So Telfar has been popular for a while, and I've tried at least 6 times to get bags, and out of those 6 times I was successful, I want to say 2 times, because as you guys know, I'll post a video here. I did a video on unboxing my white medium Telfar, and then another one unboxing a small black Telfar shopping bag that I bought for my sister for Christmas that year. So I have the box here, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up. We're gonna open it up. And also the reason why I was able to get this is because I did the bag security program, and it actually works. The only thing about the bag security program, y'all, is that once you secure the bag, it takes a whole year for you to get it. I secured my bag in March 2021 and it's now March 5th, 2022. I don't know the exact date of when I secured it, but I'll post the screenshots to show y'all. Like, I'm not lying, I'm being for real. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and show you guys. I'm very excited about this because, you know, we love supporting Black owned brands. So if I could, I would get all the minis. I would get all the minis in all the colors. Even if I don't even like all the colors, I would get them just to have them in my closet, just to showcase them, because they're just really cute. And I feel like it's gonna be worth a lot more one day. I really believe that in my heart, deep down my heart. But we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So, opening up the box, there is the logo, the famous logo that we've seen so many times in all the girls' videos. And not only did I purchase one, I purchased two. So we have the two bags there, and it's like the receipt or the return label in case I need to return it. So we have thumbnail. We have two Telfar bags, and based off the size, y'all can tell that it is the mini ones, the small shopping bag. So just like all the other ones that I've ordered, they are still packaged in the same way. Basically, it's a Ziploc bag, and it says Telfar, established 2005. 2005, New York City. Wow. And we didn't really know about him until 2021. So don't give up. That's what that means to me. Don't ever give up on any dream that you have. So the first bag is going to be the white. Wow. Wow. And it's really white. It's not off-white. It's not cream-ish. It's really white. I don't know if you guys can tell. Super, super white. I love that. The strap is secured with the Velcro. I think that's different. I don't remember it being Velcro. I think, if I'm not mistaken, last time it was like some type of a paper material. So we have an upgrade. We have an upgrade in the packaging. And then there's a tag as well. It says the same thing, Telfar, established 2005, NYC. And it's a long strap. And this part is paper. So I believe this is how the top used to be secured as well. I like that this is Velcro because that means I can reuse this whenever I want to store it. So I can store it in my closet, store it in my suitcase, store it anywhere. I can actually use this when I'm using the bag to like keep this more tamed and bunched up inside the bag when I want to carry it like that. So that's nice to have. I'm gonna use that. I'm all about recycling, repurposing. I'm all about that, y'all. But this part right here is literally just paper. I can rip it, literally. So we have that, and then here is the white. There she is. So cute, so cute. Long strap. I love it. I love it so much. The material seems like it's the same as it was before. Our little collection is growing, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the other one. I wish I could sit this somewhere so you guys can see it, but I don't have any type of table that's tall enough to put this back behind me. I can sit right there. Is that dumb? Does that look dumb? Does that look dumb? That thing was boxed up for a while because the shape, I gotta really put something in here to make the shape not bend by itself. You see that? How it's bending? It was definitely boxed up for a while. So, same packaging. Dust bag feels the same, of course. And we have the black one. Y'all have seen this before if you watched the other video that I said I did for my sister when I bought her. And of course, it has the Velcro again at the top for this one. And then we have this. The bag. Telfeezy. Me and my Telfeezy. So we have this black mini one. And we have the white one. And I just feel like this is the safest way. Oh, thumbnail. Thumbnail. Let's not forget. I feel like getting colors like this is the safest way to go because everything's always going to match with black and white. So I was like, let me not get a pop of color right now because I really don't need a pop of color. I'd rather just get something simple that I can easily match with, because I'm going to wear these a lot. They're going to be like everyday bags for me. This is super cute, super cute. So I'm going to show you guys what I can fit in it in this video as well. So give me 1 minute. I'm going to go grab my current purse and we're going to see what I can transition into. We're going to just use the white bag. We're going to see what I can transition into my everyday purse into my new everyday purse. And it's so perfect for spring. Springtime's coming up. This is going to be perfect. Spring and summer. It's going to match my toes, honey. When I step out, they're going to see me. It's going to pop real nicely. So right now I'm carrying my my Chanel pouch. If you want to know more details about this, make sure you check out the video right there. Check that video out. But this is what I'm carrying right now, and it's pretty packed. The shapes are completely different, as well as it's like a rectangle, but they're about as deep as one another. They're similar in the deepness, the width of the bags. So I'm going to take out what's in here, at least the important stuff. We'll start with that and put it into this so I can show you guys what fits in it. So I'm going to take my card holder. We need that. That's going to go in there. And then right now my perfume of choice. I've been wearing 2 perfumes at the moment. I have another one in here, but it's not going to go in here because I haven't been wearing it. It's just sitting in my purse because it was just space that could be taken up. So the space got taken up. So right now this is not, it's a Chanel. It's a Chanel perfume, but this is not the bottle that it came in. I'm just reusing this bottle. I don't remember the actual brand of the perfume I'm using because this is a men's bottle. But it's a Chanel perfume, and then it's and it can fit standing up. Can't even see it. You see how much space is left over? And then I'm using Ebony Woods from Zara. I really like the combination of those 2 together. They smell very nice. And we're not gonna put the receipts in there because we don't need that every day. Let's see. I have my Airpods. Usually these are with my keys, I think, but they're not with the keys right now. I'm gonna put the Airpods in here. That fits in there nicely right next to the perfume. 2 perfumes and the Airpod, and the card holder's right there. I wish I had just another camera to do an aerial angle because that would be easier. I'm gonna get to that. That's gonna be something I need to do in the future, instead of having to show it both ways. Oh, and then it's that time of the month, so we have a tampon in here. Let's put the tampon inside. We don't want the tampon sticking out like that. That's not cute. So a tampon is too long if you want to sit it in there straight up. So we're gonna lay it down horizontally instead. And there we go. Oh, temperature too high. Okay, so I had to let my camera cool off. I'm gonna go ahead and continue. Last thing I put in there was, I believe, the AirPods. So everything is fitting. You can't see it. Next, I'm gonna put in the keys. You can't go nowhere without that, unless you're in an Uber or a Lyft. So we're gonna stick the keys in here. We're gonna push this towards the bottom because we really don't want it that close to the surface, but we don't want it at the bottom all the way because you know sometimes you need easy access. Be quick about it. So we have the keys in there. There's still a good amount of space. Next, I'm gonna put the next and most important couple of things is my vaccination card. I'm gonna slide that in the back. There aren't any pockets, of course. It's just one big open. There is a little bit of a pocket. That's not a pocket, that's just a tag. Never mind. There's a tag in there. So I slid it in the back, and then I'm gonna put my mask, Billionaire Girls Club mask, inside. We need that. Well, I don't know. I need it. I don't know about the rest of y'all. I need it. And then I have my shades. I believe that these are considered the Celine dupes, but I purchased these from Amazon, y'all, so go get you some Celine dupes. I've had these for a very long time, and they're very sturdy. I always lose glasses, y'all, but I've held on to these the longest. Like, I can go a week and then lose the glasses by a day after that. I don't know why. That's just the way things happen for me. But yeah, they're still in pretty good condition. We're gonna stick this on the side, if it'll go. Oh, is it gonna fit? Oh, I don't know. Is the glasses gonna come with us? All else fails, I can always sit them on top of my head depending on what kind of hairstyle I'm rocking at the time. Let's see. The tampon is moving out of place. Get back in there. Get back in there. And we're gonna put the glasses. The glasses go in the front area. Y'all, I don't think the glasses coming. They sticking out. So for today's hairstyle, I'm lucky enough that I can take the glasses if I want still by putting them on my head. So we going out the house with the glasses on the head because they can't fit in the Telfar. And then this is not really something that you really need with you, but I have my Lippies. So if I ever want to like reapply throughout the day while I'm out, I'm gonna also pack the Lippies. So the choice of Lippies that I have on right now is the Chestnut by MAC. Chestnut by MAC lip liner. I found this thanks to Ryan Destiny. She wore it all the time on that show Star. I don't know if you guys heard of it or watched. That's how I found Ryan Destiny. I started watching Star a while back and I googled what lip liner does she wear for that show. Like, you know, because you know they always post all the things the celebrities wear. So I was able to find the website and it told me about this. I said I'm gonna get that. So we're gonna stick that in here. Lay it flat. Can we lay it flat? Oh shoot. Oh yep, it fits. It fits in there. And then I'm wearing, these are some new items that I just picked up, but they're gonna be staples forever for me. Forever. So it's the NYX, you might have heard of them, especially the cinnamon roll. So I have the NYX butter gloss and cinnamon roll. I've heard there's an old cinnamon roll and a new cinnamon roll, and that they're definitely not the same cinnamon roll. So here's the code that I'm using. It says BLG48. Y'all let me know if this is the old or the new one, but this is the one that I really like. I'll be late to the game when it comes to this, but I recommend this. And for those who don't know, now you know. And then the other one is the praline. Here's the praline numbers, so you can find that. And that's it. Oh, we have the phone. But as we know, most of us keep our phones in our hands anyways, or in our back pockets. Let's see if it'll fit. I have the iPhone 12 Plus, I believe. Let's see if I can fit it in here. So the phone will be on top like that, which I think that's okay. What y'all think? Is that tacky or does it not matter? Because I'm gonna be on it regardless. It's not gonna be in the purse for too long. If you in the club, this is not good. I wouldn't take this. I wouldn't take this, I don't think, to like if I'm going to go dance at a club. If I'm going to a lounge or a hookah lounge, like if I'm going to brunch, you know, I'll definitely take it and I'll be fine with having my cell phone like this. But you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful in those type of environments. I wouldn't take a bag that's open like this, I don't think, to a club, like a nightclub. So yeah. That is what I'm going to be putting in my everyday bag while using my Telfar, my Telfeezy. So cute. Like I said, this will be in my hand most of the time. So with the phone in my hand and this on my wrist, this is how it's going to be. It's going to be just like this. Just like this with my sunglasses. Just like this. Because they can't go in the bag. They can't fit. But that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, comment down below, comments, questions, concerns. Just want to share some love. I appreciate that too. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.